Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 11 area and its boundary, page number 149. The topic is my belt is longest. Now children, what they are telling us, take a thick paper sheet of length 14 centimeter and width 9 centimeter, and you can also use an old postcard. What we have to do first is, what is its area? You have to find the area of this rectangular sheet, 14 centimeter in length and 9 centimeter in width. Now children, width and breadth are one and the same. So what is its area children? Now children, area of a paper sheet of length 14 centimeter and width 9 centimeter will be, area is equal to length into breadth. 14 into 9, that will give me 126 square centimeter. Now children, again they are asking what is its perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B. Now children, 14 plus 9. 14 plus 9 is how much children? 23. Always we have to solve the bracket first. 14 plus 9 will give me 23. 23 if multiplied by 2, that will give me 46 centimeter. So our area for this rectangular paper sheet is 126 square centimeter and the perimeter of that rectangular sheet is 46 centimeter. Now children, in the second part they are asking you, now cut strips of equal size out of it. Using tape, join the strips end to end to make a belt. Now children, what they are telling you, to cut this rectangular sheet into strips of equal width. See children, like this I will cut. This is 9 centimeter now, so I will get here 3 strips of 3 centimeter each. And using tape, join the strips end to end to make a belt. Now see children, here I will make a belt out of this. This is how much? 14 centimeter. This is second strip. I will add, this is again 14 centimeter. And this is the third strip that I will add. This will be again 14 centimeter. Now children, coming to the width part. How much is its width now? 3 centimeter. Again this will be 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 14 centimeter. This is again 3 centimeter. Now children, if you come at the length of this belt, what is the length of this belt children? Add this 14 plus 14 plus 14, or 14 threesa will give you 42 children. So the length of this belt is 42 centimeter. Children, they are asking you how long is your belt? 42 centimeter long. Now children, what is its perimeter? Now if you suppose to find its perimeter, you know children, the sum of all the sides give you perimeter. Now here 14 plus 14 plus 14, that is 42 centimeter. Again here 42 centimeter. Then here 3 plus 3, that will give you 6 centimeter. So total will be children 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 centimeter. So the perimeter of this belt is 90 centimeter. Now children, in the next part they are asking whose belt is the longest in the class. Strips of least width will make the longest belt in the class. If you make the strips with least width, you will get the longest belt. Why did some of your friends get longer belt than yours? Because they made the strip of least width, so they got the longest belt they got the longer belts. Now children, they are asking, is the area of your belt the same as the area of the postcard? Why or why not? Now children, here we have seen the area of postcard was 126 square centimeter. Area of belt, for area of belt, to find out the area of belt, we will need length of belt, breadth of belt. Length of belt we saw children, that was 42 centimeter and breadth of belt was 3 centimeter. Now area of belt will be length into breadth, that is 42 into 3, that will give you 126 square centimeter. Now children, they are asking you Is the area of your belt the same as the area of postcard? Yes, the area of my belt is same as the area of postcard because every area of postcard has used for making belt. See children, this is also 126 area of belt and this postcard area is also 126. So yes, the area of my belt is the same as the area of postcard because every area of postcard is used for making belt. Now children, they are asking you in the next part, what will you do to get the longer belt next time? To get the longer belt next time, I will make thinner strips.